Well, we're here. And I know you're probably wondering, how did we end up in the same room? And the answer is simple. Pizza. Pizza has always been my childhood weakness, ever since I was a little bitty baby. As a matter of fact, I remember this one Pizza Hut commercial coming on and me running downstairs to tell my mom how bad I wanted it. The craving got so bad that I went to school the very next day to tell my teacher that I started to hate watching TV because this commercial just kept coming on and on and on. And that's when my life changed forever. She said this one simple sentence: "Oh, sugar, I don't think you hate watching TV. You just hate being marketed to." Bam. Boom. That's when my life changed forever. That's when I learned that advertisements love luring people into what they wanted them to do. So because I had a love for pizza, it was able to unlock a whole new world for me. Then I started seeing marketing as a form of fishing. The pond was the internet. The hook was the method of marketing via social media. And the best part, which you probably know, is the bait. That's where this company comes in. I feel that this company is the perfect bait for my idea. My motto is reaching more people with less effort. And I would love to help this company reach its target audience to boost you guys' sales tremendously. So how am I qualified to help this company? What skills could I bring to the table? Well, I specialize in banner and native ad creation, all forms of social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, Google analytics, geo-tracking and targeting, web analytics, optimizing back button traffic. You name it, I know it, and so much more. So your final question is, why on earth does Pepsi need my help? But before I answer that question, let's bring up our next door neighbor, Coca-Cola. So with Coca-Cola leading in everything from sales, net worth, total assets, and even Instagram followers, how do I plan on helping this company surpass them and stay on top for the next years and years and years to come? Well, that answer is also simple as well. I plan on revamping this company's social media marketing and targeting the perfect traffic to help boost you guys' sales to the top. And not only will I make deals with the left side of this screen to move them to the right side, but I want to keep the right side happy as well, because with happy customers, it's happy business. And I also like calling them the Pepsi posse per se. So if you're tired of hearing, "Is Pepsi okay?" and is ready to hear, "Isn't Coke a joke?" If so, hire me as your friendly neighborhood marketer. Because with great marketing comes great responsibility and sales as well. Thanks for listening.